Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Victor. I'm from Lounge Before Work. On this lesson, I'm going to tell you how to create your first program, what it really means. But before all of that, I would like to admire that we have 4 new subscribers, and that's really incredible that you're on board with us. By the way, I'm reading all of your comments, and I think we should change my microphone. Yeah, so I think in a few days it will be better. Yeah, so I'll try to buy my new microphone for you, so you can hear me well, okay? So, now we can go directly to assembly. Let's start. First of all, there is a model 686.686. There is a model of your processor that you will be using inside of this program. So what do I mean by that? That's like you have a Pentium. For example, you have a Pentium or newer version of your processor. So if I hope you don't use Pentium in 2025. So actually it will be better if you use this model, if you're programming with me. There is another one called model. Model will help you to define how will your memory use and sounds like outputs and inputs for your program. There is std call first function, and there is a flat model. Flat model, I will explain it in a few seconds. And std call, that's something to output or input for your programs, like functions or something like that. And flat, let me just draw it somewhere here. Oh yeah, by the way, that's a flat. Let me just delete all of that. Yeah, flat memory model. That's like you have a lot of blocks in memory, and every sounds like a variable has his or her unique messages. Its unique messages. There is like flat memory model, very usual. Yeah, pretty basic. Okay, there is also another option. I would like to say like that. If you define a case map, and it will be none. So what's exactly like that? That's you define to do without uppercase or lowercase. No uppercase or lowercase messages. Yeah. So because there is a case map, there is no uppercase or lowercase. That means you can write as you want. Okay. Okay, that's enough. Yeah, for like basic preparation. But now we need to define, as I'd like to say, .h and .cpp file. So actually there's no cpp file, there is a libraries. So you need to define libraries, and you need to define includes. To define this one, I would like to show you where that exactly. You need to find that in include directory. So exactly what you need to do, you need to just copy all of that and do some includes for your program. If you're programming on Windows, I hope you do, you need to do something like that. You need to include MASM include, that's your directory folder with includes, and find here kernel 32, if not mistaken. Kernel 32.inc. As you can see in this folder, you may see something like that. inc, that includes, yeah, out of baud files and so on. By the way, let's copy this command. We need one more function. So kernel 32, that's how you work with Windows. A lot of functions will be declared there, and you need one more that's connected with MASM 32. And that's almost enough for this one. And now we need to go to libs. Using libs, you need to define word include lib, and you need to go to MASM, and you need to go to libraries. There is I hope MASM here, yeah, MASM 32 libraries. You need to include this one and use it. Okay, so just let's copy this one and basically this. So actually you have almost everything to write your first program. Yeah, here you have a few sections for your first program. You have a data and you have a code. In code, I may define our main function as we do in C or C++, like main and this. I don't remember. If you do remember what is that, yeah, write that in the comments, please. And main. So that's like, actually that's like your first program. And every first program should exit with like 0, yeah, 0 symbol to show that everything is okay. So here there is a function, not a function, a command called invoke. You will call invoke exit process. with zero symbol. There is a very strange one, but what you are doing here, you are calling exit process with zero symbol. Yeah, so that's exactly like you do in return zero in C or C++. Yeah, let's maybe try and let's see what do we have here. Yeah, it will take a lot of time. Okay, now you don't have anything here, but that's like exactly your first program. That's what your program should have to like start. Okay, that's another one, data. Yeah, now let's output our first messages. So to define message, exactly in C++, yeah, you may use string, you may use like something like char pointer, but for this one, you need to use something like a very specific style. There is keyword called db. db, let me write a comment for you, that's like define byte. So that's exactly like byte in your memory. And we need now to define your message. Here, you may do something like define message or hello world actually. Hello world, why did I write that really? World, perfect. And there is like no, as you can see, there is like null symbol. Yes, we also need to add the here null symbol. If you want to start your local Windows debugger, yeah, you can start, but there is no output. So to output your message, you need to call something like a function. There is a function in MASM 32. It will help us today, and there is called stdout. And you can try something like stdout, like in as you do in like C++ or C. You need to do that in a very specific way. So by using invoke without this one, and you need to send here your message. But let's see what it will be if I just start Windows local debugger. So actually there is a mistake with include, I think, here masm32.lib, and maybe I just missed something. No? Ah, yeah, because that's not include this library. Yeah. yeah. Let's see now. And as you can see, that's an error. Perfect. Yeah, that's what I expected. I think you don't expect that. Yeah. So you want to send exactly a message, but with message there is only sent like there's nothing. Yeah, that's like a letter. But stdout want to have something like an address of this message, so then it can output. So to send here an address, you need to write something like address message. And let's start Windows debugger now, and there is no mistake, I hope. Yeah, and we have exactly right, hello world. I think that's the easiest, yeah, part of how you can do that in assembly on MASM32 Windows, of course. You have a lot of messages here. You may try, I think you may have a homework, like, do you need this zero symbol? What it will be if you delete this one zero? You may try, by the way. You also may try to delete something like maybe this line, see what will happen. Yeah, that's like a homework for you if you do want to find out what exactly is this program. This program is, I think that's in first lesson. So yeah, and that's all. If you have any questions, please write that in comments. Hope you're doing well. Yeah, and see you next time. Yeah, bye.